Hi, this is Nathan. Today is 13 Daily Speaking English Challenge. So guys, today Mosam is very good, is sunny, but cold wind is blowing very cold. I am not lying. I really. In previous video, I tell you, I came back from college with wet cloth uniform because it was very rainy yesterday, and today there was no rain but blowing very cold wind. So I my room in the I clearly hear the sound of leaves when wind is blowing. Its sound is very beautiful look, oh beautiful peace. It feels me a beautiful peace. So this is the 13. I practice and keep to be consistency to create 1 minute video and upload on YouTube. And I also stay you to the if you want to speak English. Um, so start with me and daily upload video like me. If you forget one day, the next day two video upload. It's not a problem. This is a practice. So I hope I complete this challenge. Daily upload video to be keep consistency. So we meet in next video. Khuda Hafiz.